Hi, I'm Nick and this is Upside Down Ideas 2022 YouTube channel. This is a short summary presentation of my idea of possible system for perpetual extraction of free energy from the surrounding environment within the laws of physics. And if such a system is possible, obviously that will have serious financial as well as ecological benefits for everybody. The operation of the system I will illustrate with 1 kilowatt of electrical energy fed into a heat pump. Any type of heat pump can be used as long as it has high enough coefficient of performance, and I'm giving an example for air source heat pump with COP4, which means we end up with 4 kilowatts of thermal energy, which in turn is fed into a thermoelectric conversion device, and again any type can be used, Peltier device, Stirling engine, anything. I'm giving an example with Stirling engine with coefficient of efficiency, because that's what matters. The coefficient of efficiency has to be high enough, of 30%. On the market there are some small Stirling engines, parts of bigger systems claiming to have efficiency coefficients of up to 36%, but we'll work on 30%. So as a result, 30% of 4 kilowatts of thermal energy are converted into electrical energy, which gives us 1.2 kilowatts of electrical energy. 1 kilowatt is used for to be fed back to the heat pump to allow the perpetual operation of the system, and 0.2 kilowatts of electrical energy are surplus and can be used as needed. We also have 2.8 kilowatts of thermal energy, which has not been utilized during the critical conversion process, and that actually is also surplus and can be used for heating or cooling if the system is designed like that, of indoor space. And that's it. Such a system should be possible to cost as a final product after research and development, etc., in the region of 5,000 to 10,000 pounds, based on the cost of the different components at the moment. And if it is possible to achieve these figures, and the system offers saving on utility bills for the average household in UK, the annual cost of energy at the moment, based on usage and prices of energy, would be just under 5,000 pounds, which means a repayment period for the system of about 2 years for the whole UK. That could mean saving, if it is nationwide adopted, of approximately 123 billion pounds a year. Additional to that, based on 2.7 tons official figure of CO2 emissions per household associated with the energy usage, for the whole UK we are looking into 67 million tons of CO2 emissions reductions, which is approximately 1/5 of the annual CO2 emissions for the whole UK. I think it's well worth looking into designing and developing such a system if possible. Now, I have not come across such proposal before for such a system, and if this is the first place such a system is proposed and suggested, I want it to be fully open source. I want everybody to have a chance to research, develop, design, and build such a system which can benefit all of us. If you like the idea, you can click the like button, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can support the channel via the link in the description. And if you want a little bit more information for the proposed idea, the full presentation link is at the end of the video.